Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings all. Before we explain about our work about 3D trusses, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muknisha Raditya.
My name is Arya Bhakta Adiatma.
My name is Bayu Aji Susanto.
So we gonna analyze about these trusses. These trusses have 3 beam that with 2 fixed pin, and the force is 60 kilonewton, and the length between point 1 and 3 is 4.767 meter. From point 1 to point 2 is 6 meter. From point 2 to 3 is 4.767 meter. And we already knew the area is 2 centimeter 2 centimeter
Square.
And then the modulus elasticity is 200 gigapascal. And we knew the degree is 51 degree for the point 1. For the point 2 is 51 degree, and the third point is the 78 degree. We have the next step, we going to discrete the data. There is 3 elements. For the elements 1, this one, the node E is 1, the node J is 2, so it connected from 1 to 2, and the theta is 51 degree. For the element 2, the node E is the 2, and the node J is 3, and the theta is 51 degree. For the element 3, the node E is 3, and the node J is 1, and the theta is 78 degree. And for the element stiffness matrix, first step, we have to develop equations for elements. The element stiffness matrix can be obtained by using the stiffness matrix for an arbitrarily oriented bar element developed in the previous lecture. We can find that the stiffness matrix formula is constanta equal this. This is from the book, from numerical method. And the second step is we have to assume a solution that approximates the behavior of an element. We will model the elastic behavior of each element as a spring with an equivalent stiffness of each element K as a spring. Usually assuming area and material modulus are constant since the element 2 and 3 have the same length. The cross-sectional area and the modulus of elasticity, the equivalent stiffness constant for this element member, and the formula is constanta equals area times modulus elasticity per length.
Okay, for the next step is we find the local matrix of every beam. The first beam is matrix element 1. We can input the data to the formula from the lecture from the book. And the first is find the constant. The result is 6,000.67 kilonewton per meter. So we input that into the formula of local stiffness. Then we get the local stiffness in elements 1. Next. Okay, the next is the element 2 with the theta is 51 degree, and we input in the same formula. Also, we find the constant, so we can get the local stiffness in element 2. Next. And in the element 3 with 121 degree, we input that degree into the formula. and find the constant. Then we get the local stiffness in element 3. Next. Okay, after we get the every local and local stiffness, every element, we can input to the global matrix. We can find it by, we can place the every local stiffness with the variable that in the formula local stiffness. So we can have the system equation. Next. And we apply the boundary condition and loads because we have the fixed support and roll support in point 1 and point 2. So point 1 and point 2, so we can apply the boundary condition. And we also have load in point F2x, F3y, F2x and F3y equals 0, and we get the load in F3x equals to 60 kilonewton. Okay, next.
Next, we reduce the system of equation by resulting in a set of linear equations that must be solved simultaneously. And then we get the O3 equal 60. Next. Then we perform Gauss-Jordan to the matrix that we got before. The first step is divide row 1 by the exact number, and then we eliminate the first column. So we get the leading one here. Next step is dividing second row by the exact number and the leading one. The next step is dividing third column row by exact number. So we get the leading one too. Next. And then we eliminate the third column. So we have the identity matrix here. And from the solution of the system equation, we got U2 is 4.5 millimeter, U3 equal 11.28 millimeter, and V3 equal minus 1.82 millimeter. Next. So we get the reaction force here by inserting the calculated deformations into the equation that we removed earlier. So we got the F1x equal negative 60 kilonewton, F1y equal negative 37.0454, F2y equal 37.0454. Next. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Goodbye.